For more than a decade, the International Seafood Sustainability Foundation, ISSF, has led a unique, bottom-up collaboration with fishers from the world's main tropical tuna purse-seine fleets. Through our skippers' workshops, fishers and scientists come together to share knowledge and co-develop practical solutions to reduce the ecological impacts of tuna fishing, including fish aggregating devices, or FADs. Since 2010, ISSF has organized workshops in more than 20 countries across Asia, Africa, the Americas, Europe, and Oceania, reaching over 4,000 participants. Mostly skippers and crew working in the Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific Oceans. In May 2025, we came to Tema in Ghana to hold a new skippers workshop with purse-seine and pole-in line fishers operating in the Atlantic Ocean. Together, we explored best practices, bycatch reduction techniques, acoustic discrimination of tuna species, biodegradable FADs, and FAD retrieval initiatives, continuing our shared effort to make tuna fishing more sustainable. These open and transparent exchanges have inspired innovation at sea, from the adoption of non-entangling and biodegradable FADs to improved practices for releasing vulnerable species and reducing marine pollution. The dialogue doesn't end on shore. Many of the ideas proposed during the workshops are tested aboard commercial vessels, with results shared back to the fleets. This double-loop learning approach has built trust, strengthened stewardship, and created a robust science industry collaboration in tuna fisheries. Together, we continue to show that when science and fishers work side by side, meaningful progress toward more sustainable tuna fisheries is truly possible.
I like all the topics, in the workshop because it enlightens all the participants, to understand very well. Some people may know about only facts, and some may all know about how to release, endangered species. But with all the topics together, it broadens the knowledge of all the seafarers. And with this continuously, we'll get there.
From the chute, there's equipment that we have in some kind of rope to pass the tuna, and the species will live there, and very easy to hang out and dump into the side of the ship. That is the good thing. And the other is the canvas that we make for the ramp. Very easy and very nice to use, and very also comfortable and very easy to remove.
My main limitation to the lead sharks is maybe crew safety.
For the limitations of these ideas presented to the fisher folk or the skippers or the crew, to me may be due to their management commitment. If the management of these vessels or the owners of these vessels are not committed to this course, it may be difficult for the captain and his crew to implement. So it was a good idea bringing the management as well as skippers and also the crew members to this skippers workshop to give a wholesome education to all of them and to ensure that they also become more committed to a course to ensure that sustainable sourcing of tuna.
Very good, because it's very educative, and it will help the skippers and crew on board the vessels to learn more, to improve, fishing operations, which is very important, because now we consider sustainability as a main goal, in the fishing industry. So it's very important, and it's advisable maybe such workshop can continue,
So I think the more we do yearly or the annual skippers workshop is very good to engage and to reiterate the sustainable way of fishing with these fisher folks. So that's a good idea.